Hello guys, you're welcome back to River FX. It's been a while since I made a video. I've been busy with some other stuff. So I'm dropping a trading system. I brought this trading system from a long list of archives of one of the trading systems I bought. And I'm testing it out on synthetic indices. I've tested it before on gold, but I don't know if it still works well on gold because some of these things need to be updated. So I want to show you how this one works. If I should get an entry here, I will. But first things first, it's non-repaint. If you take 10 trades a day, be rest assured about 7 of it would come out victorious. You would win those trades. You would win those trades. So, how do you trade this system? Well, I'm testing it out on volatility 75 index, the H1 time frame. I'm using the H1 time frame as an example for the higher time frame. As you can see right here, I have a channel. I have drawn a channel, a downward trend. So what this would mean is that any entry I'm taking would be only sell position. Since we have this arrow popping up right here, we have this arrow right here. We have this arrow right here. When this arrow pops up, what I'm going to do is go back to as low as the 5-minute time frame to wait for sell entries. And let me see. Even the 15 minutes can be used for entry. Good, good. So when I see this trend going down, what I do is that I would wait and be sure that you're completely zoomed out. Completely zoomed out. So what I do is that at this point, when this is touching the 90 level and this arrow pops up, I would wait for this arrow to pop up at the same time. So when this arrow pops up, you go in. There's a winning market. Now notice that in this case, I would not be buying because it's selling. There is a high selling pressure area on the higher time frame. So I will not dare to buy this market. So of course, what I'm going to do in this instance is that I would wait again. This did not touch the 90 level, so I am out of this. I will not take it. Now, of course, if you know uh, price action, you can see a break of structure here. If you choose to take it, it's fine by you, but I wouldn't take it. So what I do now is that I would wait. If this should move all the way to this point, hence I'm sure that the 1 hour time frame is on a downtrend, I would wait for the arrow to pop up. If I see the arrow also here, I go in for a sell. Now it is the same thing for a buy. So what you just need to do is that when you get this system, all you have to do is to check out the trend of the markets. If possible, draw a channel. Or if you want, personally, when you get this trading system, what I will do is I will help you see how you can use support and resistance zones to be sure that most of your trades will always be in profit. This trading system also works on boom and crash. I think I have crash 500 open right here. Let me see. Good. So it's the same fashion, the same fashion. So what I'm going to do, let me zoom out completely. Sorry, MT5 has been updated by the Deriv and it's not really easy to walk around, you know. Yeah, and of course, thanks for this. Of course, this trading system would give you reminders. Aha, so this is it. This is it. Right here. It's happening right before our faces. So, of course, we have a change in direction right here, and the market is clearly going to be trending downwards for a while. So, right here. Aha. So now we're in the 1 hour time frame. So of course you see this buy, I'm not going to take it. So what we'll do is drop down to at least the 30 minutes or the 5 minute time frame. Always refresh your charts. Aha. So 5 minute time frame. Let me see. Let me see if we have the kick that we look for. Okay. So in this instance, on the 15-minute time frame, I'm not seeing anything. Um, on a 5 minute time frame, let's see what we have. Refresh that then. Okay. So now, since we're selling, I have already ascertained that on the 1 hour time frame, we're moving down. There has been a change of direction. So what I would do is just like I said before, wait for this. It has already hit this point, the 10 level, which is for the buy instance. So I'm going to wait for it to do this, and when it comes here, I wait for an arrow like this to pop up, and I wait for an arrow to pop up in the same point, and I'm in for the sell. And of course, when you're taking your sell, your stop loss should be the most recent high. The thing is this, especially like on crash, it gives you something every day. Boom and crash, it gives you something every day. There is always something for you in the markets. So I wish you all the best. If you need this trading system, you can chat me up. In coming days, I'll be dropping free ones. I'll be dropping free ones for you all to enjoy so that you too can milk from the market. I hope to see you all on my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video just to show support. Thank you guys. Peace.